Camper. Hey, Camper. We're Billy, Shirley, and our little dog Camper. Please join us in this video as we take a bike ride along the Nature Coast State Trail. We stay in the quaint coastal town of Cedar Key, where we explore the art galleries and the various shops and restaurants, take a boat ride out in the Gulf to see dolphins and the historic lighthouse, and get acquainted with the area's most popular bird, the spoonbill. The Sunset Point RV Park had reopened only a few weeks before our arrival. They had been closed since September of 2024 when Hurricane Helene brought floodwaters that devastated the entire area. We learned that those floodwaters affected the entire community, including one of the most popular restaurants in the area, Steamers. You can see just how far those floodwaters rose. It's easy to see how the Sunset Point RV Park got its name. The next morning, we drove 45 minutes to Fanning Springs State Park to get on the Nature Coast State Trail with our e-bikes. Are you ready to go on a bike ride? For the Nature Trail.
I hate for you to have to repeat yourself. I'm sorry. At least you know what to say. Get it work down.
I was just saying that, yeah, the trailhead's really back up here by the way station, but you're good to park here.
Okay.
And it's not far at all.
Okay.
And that's what I would recommend. They've got parking up there, but you're good.
This is
here.
better.
Come
Right.
back and take a dip after.
Oh,
There you
yeah.
go.
Okay.
Camper, you ready? The Nature Coast State Trail follows the path of the old Florida Railroad, which brought crops and timber throughout the Suwannee River Valley in the mid-1880s. It's fun to imagine the train winding through the forest as we travel the same path.
Hey, buddy.
Is it on a timer now, or that's just video?
If you can, I think it's just video, so I'll screen it.
Everyone smile at the camera.
Second,
And
you
I'll
got.
wave.
Okay. Second, to go.
Okay, doing it again. Okay, turn around and don't be shady.
Okay, Billy, get in the picture.
I'm shady.
Yeah, take your hat off. Actually, that's shading you a lot.
You put it
Fluff
on
your hair.
backwards. Fluff your hair, baby.
Give me my.
Fluff your hair, baby.
What you think there, Camper? Because I'm not sure about those waves sounding.
Turn around, smile.
I get this.
All right. Everybody ready?
Or spoonbill dolphin. Or one of those hopscotch and fish.
Yeah, that's a gar. Another kind is the one.
We started the trail in the middle, so we went as far as the Suwannee River Bridge, then turned around and came back to the Fanning Springs State Park to have lunch under the beautiful shade trees. After about an hour break, we hit the trail again, headed the opposite way toward Chiefland.
Camper, you having a good time?
After how many miles?
About 28 miles.
28 miles.
Camper, stick your head up.
You did good, Camper. You tired?
Not as tired as I am.
We were the only campers in our group. Our friends stayed less than a mile away at Pirates Cove Coastal Cottages. Such a charming little place. The dock out back was the perfect gathering spot for us to go during low tide to watch the coastal birds come and feed in the mud flats.
Sorry. No pets. Cedar Key pizza and subs.
The pizza was delicious, and just like all of the other businesses in town, there was a line showing just how far those floodwaters came up during Hurricane Helene in 2024. That's really cool. Very nice.
Shade.
We spent the morning walking down Main Street. There are several gift shops, an art gallery, outdoor courtyards, just a very quaint and charming little town. The pastel painted buildings and bright murals give the whole area a bright, vibrant vibe. We decided to go on a boat tour to really get the lay of the land. We used island tours. It was $35 a piece for an hour-and-a-half ride and lots of narration from our knowledgeable tour guide. It was well worth the money. We really enjoyed it.
With the dogs.
And that's why it flooded so bad with hurricane.
Shallow water's always worse for that.
That's what I've heard, yeah. I heard the shallow waters bring in more water when the storm starts. Trans Florida Railroad
was the first railroad to go from one coast of Florida to the other, and it ended right there. The other end of it was in Fernandina Beach, about 155 miles to the east on the other coast over there.
Trying to count the dolphins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, keep still, keep still.
3. They're coming right
Can't you see those dolphins?
Want to go swim with them?
Say no, ma'am.
Look at them all just getting along. They have different kind of seagulls. And they say just birds of a feather flock together.
They're full.
Ooh, look at that piece of driftwood. That's so cool that they don't fly away when we get close.
If we go down in 10 or 12 feet, but
This is the south side of the lighthouse, up top of the hill there. The lighthouse was built in 1854, and it ran up until 1915.
After the boat ride, we swung by the Cedar Key Historical Museum right there on Main Street. We only had 30 minutes until it closed, but we were able to see some of the facts about the lighthouse that we had just ridden by. We saw some pencils that were made from cedar trees right there in Cedar Key, which was a big business at one time. And of course, the building had the flood line from Hurricane Helene. It's amazing that they have been able to reopen less than 2 years after the devastating flood.
Go home. Time to go home. But tell Cedar Key goodbye.
Okay.
Time to go.